Hello and welcome to my science tutorials. In today's video, we want to look at WAEC Core Mathematics Past Questions and Answers, question number 1A for SSSCE 1995. Alright, so let's go ahead and have a look at that question. So, question number 2 for SSSCE 1995 as at that time, this was the question that WAEC gave them. So, they had to solve without using tables or calculators the fraction that we have over here with decimals multiplying each other and leaving their answer in standard form. Alright, so let's have a look at the solution of this problem. Now, to solve a problem like this, the first thing we need to do is to first of all rewrite the decimals that we have in standard form. So let me write my question. So we had 0.0048 multiplied by 0.81 all divided by 0.0027 multiplied by 0.004. So from here we need to rewrite all this in standard form. We do that by moving the decimals a couple of times. So over here we move it 1, 2, 3, 4 to get 48. So we have here 48 times 10 raised to the power. We move the decimal 1, 2, 3, 4 times, so it becomes minus 4 at the top over here. Then multiplied by, here will become 81 times 10 raised to the power. We move the decimal 1, 2, so it becomes minus 2. All divided by, here will become 27 times 10 raised to the power. We move the decimal here 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have minus 4 here. Multiplied by 4 times 10 raised to the power. Over here the decimal we move it 1, 2, and 3. So we have minus 3 over here. Now if we look at what we have over here, we have minus 4, 10 raised to the power minus 4 at the top, 10 raised to the power minus 4 at the bottom. So we can cancel. So we cancel these two guys. Then from there, let's look through what we have. So we have, from there we have 48 multiplied by 81 times 10 raised to the power minus 2 at the top, all divided by 27 multiplied by 4 times 10 raised to the power minus 3 at the bottom. So this is equal to, now if you look through you realize that you can still cancel some things. 4 will go into itself 1, it will go into 48 12 times, and then 27 will go into itself 1, it will go into 81 3 times. So from here all that we are left with at the top is 12 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 10 raised to the power negative 2 on 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 3 at the bottom. So this is equal to 12 multiplied by 3 will give me 36 at the top times 10 raised to the power negative 2 on the denominator will have 1 multiplied by 1 is 1 times 10 raised to the power minus 3. So over here we have here 36 divided by 1 is 36 times 10 raised to the power minus 2. Now this 10 raised to the power minus 3 at the bottom, we will send it to the top. Now if we send 10 raised to the power negative 3 to the top, it becomes positive, because for division sign it is minus. So it will become, because of the division sign we bring minus, then we send the negative 3 to the top, so it becomes minus 3. So this is equal to 36 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 2 minus 3 will become plus 3. So we have 36 times 10 raised to the power negative 2 plus 3 will give us 1 as the power. But note that we are to leave our answer in standard form. So it means that the 36 over here, is more or less like writing 36.0 times 10 raised to the power 1. So we need to move the dot from here in between the 3 and 6. So we move it once, and that becomes, moving it once, it becomes plus 1. So we have 3.6 times 10 raised to the power 1. That is from moving the dot once. times another 10 to the power 1, that is the original 10 to the power 1, which is here. So this is equal to 3.6 times 10 raised to the power. We have the same base, and then they have the exponent 1 1. There's multiplication in between them. So laws of indices, the same base and they are multiplying, we add their exponent. So this becomes 1 plus 1, and therefore this is equal to 3.6 times 10 raised to the power 2 as our answer in standard form. So for this particular question, this is how we go solving this problem to get our answer. If you realize, all I did was to convert the decimals into their standard form, cancel the powers that are the same, and then do some necessary cancellation over here to minimize all the big values that I have into smaller numbers that I can easily multiply and divide. Now from here all the way here, you can see that a lot of indices is at play over here. So if your grasp over indices is very weak, I suggest you go back to my channel, go and check my playlist, and you go and watch my algebra tutorial where we dealt a lot about indices and how to solve problems on indices and everything, so that you have an upper hand on indices and how to solve problems like this. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next Q1a past question. Bye bye.